Hey guys, Christian over at Unfit Car Stereo. We just installed the Dention GW52M01 into this Porsche Cayenne. Actually, it's a turbo. Everyone always makes fun of me because they say, you know, what about us Android guys? I'm actually an Android guy. It's just the iPhone always gets plugged in for the thing. So this video real quick, I'm going to show you that it works with Android, the Samsung S4. All right, so I'm going to walk completely wirelessly. I'm going to hit track up, and the music's going to change. You're going to see all the song information here. All right, and now I'm going to go onto Pandora. Pandora works as long as your phone spits out the data. The Dention will take it. That's "Love Me" by Lil Wayne. Next track, Lloyd Banks' "Karma." All right, that's pretty much it. Unit on the front has a USB for iPod, also memory sticks, an AUX, and a bypass button and a status light. But yeah, that's pretty much the Samsung version of it, the non-iPod iPhone. There's gonna be a quick short video, and then just check out the other video for the iPhones that shows you how everything works. All right, unfitcarstereo.com, sell, install. We also ship worldwide. If you're a shop, we do dealer accounts. If we do your install, it's lifetime on the labor and you know, whatever the product warranty is. But anyway, unfitcarstereo.com. Thank you for watching.